friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. Today I'll be making Mongolian beef. It's essentially stir-fried tender beef with scallions. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. Choose a beef cut that is mostly tender, lean meat. Flank steak would be ideal. Slice the beef against the grain. Look for the parallel lines of muscle fiber running down the meat, and slice perpendicular to them. The ideal thickness of the beef slice is about 3 mm. Wash and submerge the beef in water for about 20 minutes to draw the blood out. Squeeze out the water from the beef and marinate it for 5 minutes. Here I used baking soda to tenderize the meat, and the cornstarch can protect the meat from overcooking. Slice the onion and ginger, cut some dried chilies, scallions, and garlic. Make the cooking sauce using the soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, salt, black pepper, and cornstarch. Now let's stir fry the beef. Turn on the stove, use medium to high heat, and wait for the pan to become hot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and stir fry the beef until it changes color. It took me about a minute and a half. Remove the beef and stir fry other ingredients for about a minute, using the leftover oil in the pan. Then add the meat and mix well. Finally, add the cooking sauce and the green part of scallions. Stir fry for another minute. And now we're done! In this dish, the beef is super tender and covered with sticky sauce, while the scallions are very fragrant and the onions are crunchy and a little sweet. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!